friends, welcome to my channel. Now today, do you want to glowing skin or want to get rid of blemishes, stubborn acne scars? Try this inexpensive method you can do by yourself at home. If you desire a glowing skin without blemishes, then you should use egg whites periodically. Egg whites work to give the skin a healthy glow. It's one ingredient that works in skincare to get rid of acne or pimples and helps to the skin retain its elasticity to keep it firm and youthful. Using egg whites on the skin also keeps the skin nourished while helping to get rid stubborn acne, blackheads and large pores that are common across all skin types. Before using egg whites on the skin at home, make sure the skin has been thoroughly cleansed and totally rid of dirt so it can work without driving dirt further into the skin, hence blocking the pores. So once you make sure the facial skin is thoroughly clean, use egg white for your face and skin in the steps. Number 1. Break an egg into a clean bowl. Now break an egg and put it in a clean bowl, its white portion. Now whisk the egg until it's fully Yes, it's prepared. Apply it on the skin. Thoroughly. Now apply another thing, that is a tissue paper. Take it, a single ply of tissue paper on the skin. Apply more over the face or the skin with tissue, making sure everything is covered. Let it dry for 20 minutes. Viewers, this dry tissue wrap and then and then after using this, use a moisturizer normally. Try this method in repetitively 2 or 3 times in a week. You will get very useful results and desired result you want. I hope you liked the video. Give it thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe the channel. Thank you.